Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Now that we are finished with our lime wash paint, I want to do window treatment next. I really like the blackout honeycomb that I've used in the past. I remember Home Depot cutting it for me. Let's do some research to see if they still do that. Okay, so they do still cut window shades for free for in-store bought blinds. We have to take these 3 measurements. Let's go shopping. We're back from shopping. Here's the prices, $50 each, not too bad. It measured 34.75. They wanted to cut off a quarter each side, so they ended up cutting it to 34.25. Let's go set things up. Here's everything that came in the box. The first step is to clip in these end caps. They look like this. I did it over here. The next step is these metal fasteners, 4 inches from the side, 1 in the middle. I did it randomly. I think that's enough spacing. Didn't go fully in case I needed to move around a little bit. I think the drill bit I picked is a little too small, but it is directly into drywall, so I wasn't having too many problems. Let's keep going. Here's what my random eyeballing fastener and brackets look like. They take 2. This one, pretty good, but I think the middle one's a little crooked. Definitely make pencil marks if you want them to be more exact and line up a little bit better. The metal is kind of thin and flexible, so I didn't really have a problem. The window shade only goes in one direction. The plastic here is flat, and this side has a little curved lip that will hook on. I'm gonna try to get this on camera. One-handed. The hook should feel pretty, snug, and it will clip in on the end. Let me try to get that clip. There we go. And that's it. Gonna work on this little bottom holder here. I think when I was taking my measurements, I went a little too snug because this plastic piece doesn't have enough space to clip in. Not a big deal. I'm gonna take it off and just let this dangle down here at the end. Super excited for window treatment. Pretty simple, straightforward DIY. For now, video 319 done.